I was never the cool kid. Hey guys, we're just looking at some plates. So guys, this is what we have so far. Nice day. Hello everyone, am I in focus? Probably not. Okay, I look disgusting, but we're going to Ikea now because I'm moving to Limerick for college next Monday, so we need to get bits that I don't have. Fun! So guys, we are currently stopped at Circle K because we want to get something to eat before we go to Ikea because I'm dying. I currently have a headache because I haven't eaten anything, so... Oh my god, it's 11:11, make a wish.
Yeah, I know. I can't look very make a wish.
I have to make a wish.
Come on. And I don't look at the I don't look at the date until it's gone past it because I feel like if you look at it, your wish will go. So I never look at the
Did any of your
date.
wishes ever come true?
Right. No.
But no.
So, I was never the cool kid, more like strange and awkward. Biscuit to your forehead, 4 months of justice. Okay. We're in Ikea. We just arrived and we're gonna get. Why did you say we just arrived? I said we're in Ikea. Why did you say we just arrived?
Cut down.
We're in Ikea.
We're Mac Future Kitchen. Welcome, guys. Would you like some spices?
Ruth, what are we buying today?
My future house.
Oh. Okay guys, so currently in Ikea, all I've gotten is a pillow. So, going great. Jordan's here. She's not being very helpful, but I have... Okay, so now we're downstairs getting our bits. And all I have is a pillow and a pizza cutter. So I think I'm set, honestly. Hey guys, we're just looking at some plates. I've never done this before. Jordan's new to vlogging. We're looking at plates.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
She got her bowls. Do you want a cup or anything, Abigail? She got her plates. Now we're in the search for a glass mug that she wants. Jordan, I turned around to vlog you and it was a small woman. Okay, so we have some bits got, but not much. So guys, this is what we have so far. We have like plates and bowls, mugs, this huge massive glass I wanted, some containers, a pillow, a tin opener, and then a pizza cutter, and then like tea towels, and then I think these are like for mom. I don't know, I'm gonna have 4 packs of napkins, but you never know, could be useful. So guys, we got more stuff. I got a box for storage stuff and a good bin. That's about it so far. So we got a mattress topper because I'm particular on where I sleep. We got a frying pan and then like a spatula and then some other little bits. But yeah, I think this is a successful trip. I didn't even know what I wanted, so kind of been hard to buy stuff. I think I got most things. Okay, so currently in Ikea, the bit where they sell stuff off. I'm sitting on a very comfy couch while Dad is going to load up the checkout because I couldn't be arsed. And my family just left me. Great, so I'm sitting here talking to the camera by myself. I love that. So we're finished in Ikea. My mother and father are paying, and we're now at the food section because we just are. Anything? No, not no. I got most of my bits. I'll do a haul later. I don't really know what I needed, so yeah. There's still stuff here. Bye. Did you get all these? We got all our bits. Okay, so we're done in Ikea. I'm very tired and I just want to go home. Here's some of my stuff. Literally didn't get that much actually, you think about it.
Oh, don't record me, please.
Okay, we're back home now. I'm going to do a quick haul of all the stuff that we got today. I didn't get much to be honest, but I'll show you anyway. Okay, so the first thing I got was this mattress topper because I don't know how comfortable or uncomfortable the bed is going to be, so I want this. Then we also just got a pillow for my bed and then just some sheets because we have other ones, but I decided to buy some new ones. So that's the bedding we got. What else? Okay, so I got a small frying pan for cooking. We have a saucepan, a new one that we didn't use, that's somewhere in the house. Then I got a pack of 3 chopping boards for like chicken and veg and stuff. Then some Tupperware boxes, 2 mugs because I don't really drink tea, but like if I ever need a mug for something. Then tea towels. I got this mirror because I need a small mirror anyway in my room. And then I don't know if they give me a bin, but I brought a bin anyway, so. I also got some dinner plates, small plates, bowls, and then this giant glass, which I thought, you know, I might as well because I need glass. Then I got a spatula, pizza cutter, tin opener, and then scissors. And I think that's like all I got in Ikea because like I don't need much because then I have over here, I have like a soft throw blanket that my mum bought, and then like I got an air fryer so I can cook food in that. Other than that, like I don't really need much else except like my like normal stuff like my clothes and whatever, but like obviously I have to pack a suitcase for that, which I need to do sometime this week because I'm going EP Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and then moving Monday, so I need to get this done like this week. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today getting bits for college. That's about it. If I get anything else I'll show you, but I think that's about it. So wish me luck guys, and if you're in Limerick, come say hi because I'm so afraid I'm gonna be like all by myself. So yeah, bye.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this far into the video. If you enjoyed it, please like. I'm going to leave a couple of videos on the screen here. If you want to watch them, please do. Thank you so much again, and if you want to follow Abigail, I'm going to leave all of her social medias down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.